Ahoy mga ka-t-shirt! It's me again, Mike V, your t-shirt guy. And today, meron na naman tayo at nagbabalik na naman si t-shirt guy for another unboxing. This one is from Smart. Kung interesado ka kung ano ang laman ng nasa paper bag na to, please stay tuned mga ka-t-shirt. So, nandito na nga tayo, no? Ngayon, tagal na akong subscriber ng Smart, no? And it's part of their signature plan na pwede kang maka-avail ng kanilang early na renewal, no? This phone is one of the latest phone ni Samsung. This is a Samsung S22 Plus. Ano bang hiningi sa akin nung nag-renew na lang ako? So, para doon sa mga nagre-renew na at balak na mag-renew or first time na magre-renew, ang kailangan nyo lang dito is simply an ID and kung magandang credit score mo or credit rating sa kanila will be easy approval basically. Yan lang kailangan mo, ID lang talaga kasi you have all the documents naman na. And then pag hiningi, just prepare your COE or yung mga payslips nyo at least 2 months and then kung may ITR kayo, yun din. Ano ulit to? S22 Plus. Yeah. So, tatlo yung options nito. May pwede akong kumuha ng S22. Ito. Yan, S22 Plus. So, tatlo ang option na binigay sa akin. Kung gusto ko daw ng S22, meron silang tatlo. Yung S22 na regular, kaya lang masyadong maliit siya. At saka, yung battery life niya is hindi ganun ka-taas. Unlike dito sa S22 Plus. And then, yung S22 Ultra naman, may pen yun eh. However, masyadong malaki. And for me, it's not my thing. Mga hindi talaga ako nagmamalaki ng screens ng mga phones and so on. So, ang pinaka-best fit talaga sa akin is itong S22 Plus. So, without further ado, let's open this bad boy. So, nandito na nga tayo, no? Ito na, i-unbox na natin. So, this is an S22 Plus. Ayan. S22 Plus. Ayan. Para dito naman, S22 Plus. Ayan, kitang-kita. So, na-launch ito around February 25, 2022. Marami itong features involving its new technology when it comes to the internet. No, alam naman natin na ang mga phone right now is 5G ready na. So, mas mabilis yung kanyang capability when it comes to connectivity. So, kumbaga, latest technology siya. Ayan, makikita nyo dyan, ha? Oh, S22 Plus. Yan, oh. Di ba? Sa box pa lang, makikita mo na yung parang embossed shape, no? Yan. Ito, 2. Yan. 2 and S. Di ba? Apparently, this is a 256 gigabyte storage and alam naman natin na this is a Gorilla Glass capable. I think Victus Plus o Convictus Plus yung kanyang Gorilla Glass. One of the latest technology ni Gorilla Glass. So, tingnan natin yung loob. Oh, may nakasulat dito, don't accept if it's not sealed. If the seal is broken, basically. So, 8 gigabytes of RAM siya and ang kulay niya is Phantom Black. Yung kanyang storage is 156, no? Hindi available ang 512, unfortunately. Pero doon sa mga nagtatanong kung magkano ang dinadagdag ba kapag sa plan, no? Kapag S22, magkano ba ang dinadagdag? Para doon sa device, umabot to ng mga 1,066 pesos. Tapos kapag kumuha ka ng S22 Plus, magdadagdag siya mga around 1,350. So basically, kapag nag-renew ka pala ng early renewal, magbabayad ka ng advance ng amortization, which is, yung sa akin is 1,350. Kapag ka naman kinuha mo is Ultra, 1,850 naman. So that's per month, ha? Yung ba meron kang plan? Signature plan subscriber ka. So kapag yung signature plan subscriber mo is for example 1999 plan, no? So yung 1999 on top nun yung device na pinurchase mo. Which is sa akin dahil pinili ko is S22 Plus, that's 1,350. Pero kung pinili mo is S22 Plus Ultra, that's 1,850 plus on your monthly bill, no? Kaya mas maganda na magtanong kayo, di ba? So ito na. Alaw na. Alas 2, alas 3. The unboxing of my new S22 Plus. Oh, Kitang-kita niyo yan, no? Napaka-sexy. Napaka-sexy nito, guys. Ayan, no? Tingnan. So, kung mapapansin niyo dito, para siyang, hindi siya typical curve. Parang iPhone ata. It seems like parang iPhone yung curve niya. Yun ay akin lang naman. I don't know sa inyo. Then, tingnan niyo yan. Yun, yan ang pinaka magandang experience. Yung inyong pag-unplasticking. Smooth. Diba? So, dito, this is an aluminum metal, no? Then, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong Gorilla Glass. And then, makikita nyo dito, meron siyang notch. May notch siya dyan na for camera, for selfie. So, nasa gitna siya. Ang selfie camera nito is 10 megapixel. So, 4K ready rin siya for video recording. And yung mga cameras niya is, yung main camera niya is 50 megapixel, one of the highest basically. And then yung telephoto niya is around 10 megapixel. Isang photo lens niya is around 13 megapixel. Marami kang options. So, kumbaga, top of the line talaga when it comes to camera, picture, you are into vlogging, when you are into photography. So, very good itong phone na to, no? Very handy. Paano naman kung gusto ko itong bilhin outside, no? Normally ranges around 60,000 to 45,000. Bakit may ganung range? Kasi yung iba, China made, and yung iba naman is galing sa ibang lugar. And of course, it's because kung magkano yung patong ng retailer sa inyo, syempre. So, ganun yung mga ano. Pero, para sa akin, very good ang service ni Smart. Kasi meron ka ng phone na medyo mababa when it comes to monthly. Kasi nga parang 24 months mo lang itong babayaran tapos you can get another phone, di ba? So, yung S20 ko, pwede ko na siyang ipa-open line. Pwede mo na siyang i-hand over or maybe your second unit. At makikita nyo rin yung kanyang bagong style, no? Kasi yung S20, hindi naka-emboss yung kanyang camera. Kumbaga, yan, no? Walang ganyan na edge. No? Pero ngayon, meron na. So, yan. And then you have your camera, ano ba tawag dito? Camera light. Basta yung pang flashlight. Yan yun. Di ba? So, yan. Ano pa ba ang nasa loob? Di ba? Basically, makikita nyo dito, wala yung power brick. Kasi yung mga top of the line na product ng mga phones right now, hindi na nila ini-include. No? They don't include it anymore in the package. Binibili na siya separately. Maybe they wanted to encourage you to do or to buy a wireless charging, or they making business out of it basically. Yun lang yun. So ayan, meron siyang pang tanggal nung sa SIM card and so on. And then you have your USB cable. So ito lang ang libre, USB-C cable. Wala na yung power brick. So nung nandun ako sa Smart Store, lumapit sa akin yung Samsung guy, and then he said na if I wanted to buy a power brick, meron dun sa Samsung store. So basically, they making business out of it. So ito, manual as usual, di ba? Kung paano maglagay ng SIM card, kung paano maglagay ng mga memory card or something. Then you have your Samsung Care. So basically, this is a warranty card. So, very important yung warranty card na yan. So, I think that's it, no? Napaka-simple lang ng nasa loob, basically. So, ayan. Buksan natin, tingnan natin. Yun, no? So, typical Samsung Galaxy opening page or opening screen. Yan. So, napaka-swak nung kanyang size. Kung titignan mo dito, hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. It's around 196 grams according to Google. Hindi siya parang kasing bigat lang siya or mas mabigat lang siya ng konti. Konting-konti lang, no? You don't see the difference talaga or feel the difference. Pero para sa akin, it's the best handy phone for me kasi hindi naman ako ganun katangkaran and hindi rin ako ganun kalaki yung kamay, no, when it comes to handling the phone. Kaya this is a nice fit to me, basically. Alright? So, I think that's it. Siguro sa mga susunod natin is about the reviews. I-review natin kung maganda ba talaga yung camera, kung ano ba talaga yung pwede nating explore when it comes to the new features of this phone. Ayun, so maganda yung camera nito, maganda yung battery life. It is 4,500 milliampere, by the way. Latest din ang kanyang Android OS, Android 13, One UI 4.1, Android 12, One UI 4.1. So, latest talaga. And then, the 5G. Titignan natin kung gaano kabilis yung kanyang difference, no? Kasi, di ba may data? May libreng data to eh. Hindi man libre, but you are paying for the data itself eh. So, sabi nila, if your phone is 5G ready and your place is 5G ready as well, mas mabilis yung magiging coverage mo when it comes to data connectivity. So let's see what's the difference between 4G Plus and the 5G technology. So ayun, tingnan na lang natin sa mga susunod na kabanata. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this T-shirt guy vlog, and hopefully I can see you again, and hopefully we can unbox again another item on the next T-shirt guy vlog.